A bag contains only red and blue marbles. Yasmin takes one marble at random from the bag. The probability that she takes a red marble is 1 over 5. Yasmin returns the marble to the bag and adds 5 more red marbles to the bag. The probability that she takes one red marble at random is now 1 over 3. How many marbles of each color are originally in the bag? Okay, so here we go. Let's consider as the red marbles are x in number, a different variable for the blue marbles or y in numbers. Okay, total marbles in the bag will be in this situation, of course, that is going to be x plus y, right? And when you will find the probability of red marbles, what is that? Number of red marbles in the numerator, x, over total marbles in the denominator, x plus y, right? We already know probability of getting out a red marble, that is 1 over 5 in the question. That means further we can write this as x over x plus y is equal to 1 over 5. Here is the equation that we have got. This will help us out to figure out the value of x and y. But this is a linear equation in two variable. When you will solve it, simplify this, it will end up being a linear equation in two variable. When she will be adding 5 more red marbles, then total number of marbles after adding 5 more red marbles will be x was the total number of red marbles plus 5 more plus y. Now, probability of getting a red marble is going to be, of course, total number of red marbles now x plus 5 because she has added 5 more red marbles. In the denominator, now total number of marbles are here, that is x plus 5 plus y marbles, and this is again known to us, that is going to be 1 over 3 given in the question, right? That means now further you can write as x plus 5 over x plus 5 plus y is equal to 1 over 3. Now you have two different equations. The first one is already figured out and this is the second one, and you know very well that if you have two linear equations and you have to figure out the value of x and y, you will have to solve those two linear equations. So let's go and let's solve the equations. First equation was x over x plus y equal to 1 over 5. Let's do the cross multiplication. That means we have this 5 will multiply into x and this denominator x plus y will multiply into 1. Now you will have 5x on the left hand side is equal to x plus y. Let's transpose x to the left hand side. That means 5x minus x equal to y. Now you have 4x equal to y. That means from here you can get the value of y as 4 times of x. Now the second equation is already known to us, that is x plus 5 over x plus y plus 5 is equal to 1 over 3. We are going to do the same with the second equation, doing the cross multiplication, right? So let's keep all the values in the brackets. Now 3 will multiply in x plus 5. On the other side, 1 will multiply x plus y plus 5. So they will remain unchanged. Here you will get 3x plus of 15 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you have x plus y plus of 5. What do you know already? That is the value of y. That is 4x. Let's put the value of y in this equation as 4x. So now we have 3x plus 15 is equal to x plus, what is the value of y from here? 4x. That means you can replace y by 4x plus 5. Okay, this is x plus 4x is equal to 3x plus 15. I mean, let's solve this equation. So 3x plus 15 is going to be equal to 5x because x plus 4x is 5x plus of 5. Okay, let's transpose this 3x to the other side and 5 to the left hand side, and you will end up getting the value of x. How? Let's check. Now 3x will go to the right hand side, so 15 minus 5 is equal to 5x minus 3x. Now what is this? 15 minus 5 is 10. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Now 2 is multiplying here, on the other side it will divide 10. You will end up getting x is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Okay, you already know that y is equal to 4x. That means y is equal to what? 4 times value of x, that is 4 times of 5, which will be 20. So here is your answer. If there are 20 blue marbles, there will be only 5 red marbles. That's it.